Hello, this is Ms. Witt. I'm going to show you a few tips on how to format your papers when you're typing them for class. First, I opened up a blank new document in Microsoft Word. The first thing you should check is that you have the right font. Most of your teachers will want you to be using Times New Roman. Let's go over here and make sure you have the right font. And they also will want you to be doing all of your typing in size 12. Let's start. The top of your paper, you always want to start with your name. On the next line, you will have the date, and then your teacher name, and the class. We're going to take all of this information and put it in the top right corner. In order to do that, I clicked with my mouse and I selected those words. Over here you will see that this is how you can format where your words are aligned to. Right now it's formatting so that they're aligned all to the left side. If we clicked this button, it would line those to the middle. And if we click this button, align text to the right side, you will see that your name, date, teacher, and hour have all now lined up with your right side. Hit enter twice. You want to skip a line. Now center a line for your title. Make sure that your title is creative. Skip another line. We're going to go back up here and we're going to go to our original alignment. Text align left. And you're going to start typing the first line of my awesome essay. Begins here. Remember that the first sentence of a paragraph you should always indent, so hit the Tab key on your keyboard and then keep going. Once you start typing your text, you will want to also make sure that your essay is double spaced. In order to do that, instead of skipping lines manually by clicking at the end of the line and hitting enter, you can also select your text and then come up here back to your menus. You need to find the icon that has some lines and then two arrows, one going up and one going down. If you click to open that menu, you have a couple different options for your line spacing. Right now we have line spacing of 1.0, so there is no gap in between our lines. You could do a little bit of line spacing, about 1.5, but for all of your essays for school and professional essays, you want to have a 2.0 or double spaced for your line spacing. Once you have that selected, it will double space your entire essay. One more tip is that you might want to add page numbers to your essay. You do that by going File, just kidding, you're going to go Insert, and then Page Numbers. Your teacher will most likely want them at the bottom of the page, so make sure that you select the bottom of the page, which is called the footer. Just like your feet are at the bottom of your body, the footer is at the bottom of the page. And now it will automatically give you the correct page number as you continue to type. Make sure that you are saving your work. I recommend saving it in an organized way into a folder that maybe is for that class. Give your document a title. Perhaps save it with your first and last name, and then maybe the title of your essay so you remember what it's about. Make sure that you save. If you're saving from a school computer, make sure that you have saved to your personal documents, not the computer documents. And now continue to type. I recommend that you save periodically throughout your typing. I hope this has helped you figure out how to format your essay.